Hold on.
Well, I can't see right now. Do it now. We're so stupid though. No one even looked.
Beside that old hag.
That's rude.
Is this my mom? If it is, I'm beeping. Nope.
Oh, it's some lady. Oh, we're at Hannaford. I don't see anybody fun. Hey girl, what's up?
Girl, what's up?
She's coming. Oh, but she's going. But she's gonna walk by us, isn't she?
I can't beep it now.
Honk the horn. Just do it.
No.
Just do it.
I'll wait till she leaves.
Just do it right now.
Oh, she's the fucking other car.
She's probably like, why the fuck is he recording me or something? Oh, these people are coming.
I can't do it. She's got kids.
Here they come.
Oh, fuck.
My god, look at the size of them.
Oh, shit.
Yeah. Do it now.
Hold on. Let's wait till they get past us a little bit.
Do it now. Oh, they looked, did they?
Fucking no.
I don't think so. There's your mom.
No?
Yeah, she's right there, isn't she?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, say goodbye.
Wait, I'm gonna do it to my mom.
Hopefully she walks in front of the car. Honk it as soon as she walks in front of it.
Crazy bitch.
I hope she walks in front of it. She's gonna walk behind us.
Ready?
She's not gonna... Do it again. She looked the other fucking way. She's too much.
Did you get that?
Yeah. No, well, I don't know if I got her face.
What are you honking the horn for?
You look the other way.
Huh?
You look the other way.
I look the other way?
When I burped.
Here.
When I beeped it the first time, you looked the other way.
Well, that's because I thought it was a car over there, and then I realized it was you.
We were doing it to everybody.
Don't.
Why?
It's because